Hey guys, welcome back to Jason Journey Builds. We're back from Townsend, back from a 2-3 week break. So it was really needed, and I feel rejuvenated after seeing all those good looking Broncos and meeting all the, we met so many people there, and it's kind of humbling, So we really appreciate you guys showing us the love that you did and stopping us and saying hello. That was cool. So we tried to get a little bit of video and some pictures of some of you guys and some of your rides. So you guys stay tuned to the end of the video and check that out. It's nothing special, just some quick video that we took while we were standing around. But the weather was perfect. It was hot, I'm still nursing a sunburn on the back of my neck and my calves. I just really had a good time.
Well, we probably didn't get as much footage as we would have liked to. We were a little preoccupied by looking at everything, so.
Yeah, I just enjoyed talking with you folks, and by the time we've walked around half a day and we hadn't taken any pictures or anything, just kind of soaking it all in. So it was just a great weekend. We had a really nice cabin and about a mile from the show site, so that was good. And met John Melton from Nashville Early Bronco. He's a stand-up guy, and enjoy talking with him. It's just it was just a great weekend. The girls had a good time. We took them to Dollywood. They got to do all the roller coasters and just kind of give them something other than Broncos to do. So anyways, thank you guys for making it a great trip for us, and I hope you guys that went had a good time, and hope to have this thing there next year. So our plan today was to get out here and do a final blocking on a Bronco. What I wanted to do was do a 320 block and then get it all blocked, and then I'll get it in the booth, and then we'll do a final wet sand and get ready to spray. So I want to do that by this coming weekend. Well, it's hard to sand if you don't have paper. I had a whole roll of 320 here somewhere, and I've torn the shop apart, can't find it. So
he has a very special talent for losing things. Keys, wallet. He would be great at hide and seek. You would never find him.
She says that this is true. This is a thing I can go to my phone and I can hit a button on my phone and it'll find my keys for me.
Assuming he can find his phone.
So anyways, yeah, she's
maybe I should put the app on my phone.
You should, because you'll find it quicker than me. So anyways, no sandpaper, so I can't really show you anything, but we didn't want to go another week without letting you guys know that we hadn't fallen off the side of the earth. And but since we've made a video 3 weeks ago, I did put 3 coats of 2K urethane primer on this and finished my booth. As you can tell, that's all the plastics wrapped. It's ready to go. I've got my vents covered up because I don't want them collecting dust before I get ready to paint. So I have been busy, get out here and do a few things, but I just need to get away from it and take a break, slow down a little bit. But now I'm ready, seeing you guys get there before me. So
and all the awesome Broncos.
So many good looking Broncos. So
and the super nice people.
And we didn't get to join in on the fun, so I want to do that. So anyways, we've got everything we need other than sandpaper, so we'll get that tomorrow and hopefully start, we can start getting some small video clips for next week's video and put some color on this thing. I'm super excited. Thanks again for tuning in and listening to me ramble. You guys, stay tuned just for a second. Watch these videos, just the clips. You might see your Broncos, see some cool looking Broncos. And we'll see you guys soon. So sorry about nothing to see, but we'll see you guys next time. Thanks again to everybody. Thanks again to John at Nashville Early Bronco and everybody that we spoke to. You guys take care. that the green one? All the Broncos.
Better. And so the first I've never tried it. You know what? That's something I would
That'd be a good ending shot right there.